यही लिंक है ना सर सोशल मीडिया वाला?
Given so much opportunity to the student to go into the hotel, do best training out of it, and there are 10,000 plus hotel students who have passed out from our college. So we have a link of this student also. Actually, my second question to you, sir. There are some students who are being dropped out from the hotel due to pandemic. So do you have a message for the student who wants to do a job, means who wants to once again appoint in the hotel?
Definitely, sir. This is very nice question you just asked me. I feel that the student who the candidates or the employees who have been just laid off because of some XYZ reasons, they will definitely hire by the organizations because they are the manpower who are actually already skilled and they know the work culture, the organization culture of the organization. So what I feel that so once the pandemic would be over, their hotels will start doing the hiring. They will see those people also who are actually laid off because they will once they will rehire them, then definitely they don't need to give them the training. They don't need to understand each and everything. So they will directly hire them. They should not be demotivated. They should be start working their skills, their attitudes, and after that, once the things would be over, definitely they will be having a good number of opportunities in India and abroad both.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Sir, sir, being in the same industry, actually, we are academia and you are the industry professionals. So, what you will recommend us? Because this is the new situation arises. We have been given so much textbook knowledge as well as practical knowledge to the student. So, this is the new situation as hotels are also adopting a new kind of that atmosphere nowadays. So what kind of that recommendation from your side to our students so we can inculcate all the technique, all the policies, all the law in the teaching methodology for our students?
I feel that, sir, there are so many students who are just passed out of the different colleges. Once they will come to the college hotels, they will definitely learn so many things. But before that, also they need to work out of three parts. One is their attitude. Their attitude should be perfect. If we will work out on the attitude part, then definitely they will be sustained in the hotel industry. Second one is the technical knowledge. Their technical knowledge is supposed to be good, which is college is doing good job because they are teaching them a good number of things which is actually required for the hotel industry. And third thing is the communication part. So communication, obviously, if they are sitting in the home, they definitely work on that part also. The ones they will be having these three skills, the hotels will like to hire them because the fresher do not have too much of knowledge. We do not expect that they will be having a good number of knowledge. They will do each and everything. We need to train them. We need to understand them. What is their requirement, and after that, we will module them as per our requirement. We do give them the transfer. Apart from that, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to be do a multitasker. Like a person, student is supposed to be having a knowledge of the two departments, so that if he will not able to understand one department, he will not able to work in one particular department, he can be go opt on another department. That will also helpful for him. And third thing is it there is just one thing which I just wanted to check, the resumes part. We should work out on the resumes part of the candidates also, because this is the first thing which generally goes to the HR persons. So if they have a good resumes, definitely it will attract them a lot by the HR persons.
Right, right. So, sir, question to you: what are the HR doing to motivate their staffs? Because you know they are deported from the hotels and they are sitting at home. So, what are nowadays that HR is doing with their staff, those who have been deported from the hotels?
What I feel that HR is doing a good job because HR is the only person who is making the organization culture. So HR is supposed to be know each and everything, and HR is doing a good job as I have just told you. So they are focusing the vaccination of the employees. So most of the hotels are going the vaccination of their employees so that they once they would be vaccinated, they do not have any problem over there. They will HR is supposed to provide them a medical insurance also, because once they will having a medical insurance, they will not having another problems. And the HR is supposed to hire those people who are actually multi-skilled employee. Because if a person who is able to work in kitchen department, he has a good knowledge of that particular things, he are able to work in other department also if the times arises, if there is a need actually. So multi-skilled employees hiring is also very much mandatory at presently to reduce the cost in the organization. And apart from that, the talent acquisition, because once the pandemic would be over, in the month of September, October, we will having a number of vacancies in the market. And once there would be vacancies, everybody would like to change the job. In that point of time, we have to, retain the employees. For them, we need to give them a good salary packages, good benefits also. And after that, we will provide the good culture also. So once we will provide the good culture, good other things also, definitely it will help the employees to retain them in the organization, and that will also good for us.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Sir, my
And apart from
last.
that, what I feel
Yes,
that we are also,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
what I feel
continue, sir,
that
please.
we HR, as a HR person, HR is supposed to provide the good number of training also. Because in
Right.
this time when we have less work, definitely the training will help the skilled manpower. And once the empower will be good skill, definitely that will help him to a lot actually in the organization. So these are the things, based normal things which we feel that this is the thing which we can do.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Actually, sir, why I'm asking to you, because in Agra region, Heritage is the only best institute which is providing a best out of a student to all around that hotels belonging to Agra. So that's why there are students from Agra region. So that's why I'm asking the questions like, sir, my last question to you is, kindly give one messages to our passing out student, because they are into the final semester and they are about to pass out, and they want to be adopted like a MTs or HOT program in a hotel. So what kind of that culture you are providing nowadays to the student?
Um, what I feel that the students will definitely do the good job. So their students are supposed to be multi-skilled. They should work out on their communications, resumes, attitude, and do not be demotivated actually. They start working out on their different things part, and after that, once they will be having a knowledge about different things, the situation would be over, the COVID situation would be over. The market will definitely hire them. So they should be more positive actually, having a positive attitude. And we are also supposed to provide them different kind of training. As a college, we are also providing the different kind of training to them. If that would be industrial training, vocational training, any other kind of training to them also, so this is also very much mandatory for them. So they will having a good exposure of the hotel industry, because most of the time these students have not completed their training part. So these trainings is also very much mandatory for them.
Right, sir. Right, sir. So nice talking to you, Mr. Giriraj. As we have discussed with you, lots of our student query with you, and hope we'll meet in soon in future also. And
Definitely, sir.
thank you very much for connecting with us. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.